So I'm out at Porsche Club of America's Oregon chapter, Autocross 5 or something like that, at Portland International Raceway. We got a bunch of cool cars here, as always. This is the course is similar to the course we ran last time we were here. I got top time of the day last time I was here, which is really awesome. But this time I put my shitty tires on because it's supposed to be 101 degrees, and I'm not going for points with this club. So I decided to just run my bad tires. I mean, they're not really that bad. They're just tiny compared to what I normally run. But we'll see how I do with the smaller tires. A lot of cool cars. I get to work first, and then I get to run second. It's gonna be hot later. I brought my FLIR camera, so maybe I'll put some shots in there of what that's like. But we're out here at the North Paddock, and drivers meeting starts here in a few minutes, and then we'll get out on course and start driving. So see you out on course. So I'm in line, get ready to run. Everybody keeps looking at my car because I got top time of the day last time. But if you notice, I got my tiny little tires on. It's gonna be fun. Anyway, didn't want to burn off my good ones. But anyway, some good cars out here. So it's pretty warm already. It's supposed to be 101, so yeah, it's not looking forward to this. But a lot of cool cars out here, and can't wait to get out on course and see what the car does with little tires. I haven't run those small tires in like 2 years, so see what happens. So I just did my first run out there on the tiny tires. Oh man, I thought it was gonna be bad. It's real bad. There's no traction. It's just such small tires and such low amount of grip, but should be fun, I guess. So yeah, it's great. Anyway, on the next one I'll actually do video, I guess. We'll see what it looks like. Time to get back out there. Oh, I love this car, by the way. This thing is awesome. I want to do something side skirts like that on the Vet. What do y'all think? Stupid? I think it'd be cool. Give me some better downforce. So I'm trying to stay out of the sun. Got the car, got the fan on it, trying to cool it down. With these little tiny tires, you know, what are these, 245s? These things are tiny compared to what I'm normally running. I can't believe that this is a stock size tire that comes with the Vet. It's ridiculous, there's no grip. I ended up in 19th, not horrible. 18th in packs. Third for the not for points people. There's one of the really nice GTs. Anyway, so yeah, it's a great day. I'm gonna let the car finish cooling down here and get on the road and get out of here. All right, so I'm gonna insert some footage about how hot it is in there. Man, it is fucking hot as balls in there. And I got the FLIR video to show it. Anyway, see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you come out to the next race and we have some fun.